DJI, a name synonymous with innovation in drone and gimbal technology, may soon expand its horizons with a groundbreaking venture into the mirrorless camera market. While the company has not made any official announcements, rumors and speculation strongly suggest that DJI's first mirrorless camera is on the horizon, potentially launching in late 2025. This new product could represent a major shift in the photography and videography industries, challenging the dominance of established players like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. Let's know more. The idea of DJI developing a mirrorless camera is not without precedent. The company has consistently pushed the boundaries of imaging technology with products like the Ronin 4D, which has gained significant recognition in high-end cinematography. The Ronin 4D's innovative stabilization and imaging systems have been utilized in major film productions, showcasing DJI's technical expertise. If DJI can channel this experience into a mirrorless camera, it may emerge as a formidable competitor in the market. One of DJI's significant advantages is its ownership of Hasselblad, the renowned medium-format camera manufacturer. Hasselblad is celebrated for its exceptional sensors and lenses, which are known for their dynamic range, color accuracy, and overall image quality. It is anticipated that DJI's mirrorless camera will incorporate a sensor inspired by Hasselblad's technology. These sensors, likely sourced from Sony, could offer professional-grade imaging capabilities, making the camera an attractive option for photographers and filmmakers alike. The integration of Hasselblad's expertise would also extend to lens compatibility. DJI's rumored camera is expected to use the L-mount system, aligning it with a growing alliance of manufacturers. This decision would enable users to access a wide range of lenses from third-party manufacturers, increasing the camera's versatility. By combining Hasselblad's premium imaging technology with DJI's engineering prowess, this new mirrorless camera could carve out a niche in the competitive high-end market. Based on industry speculation, DJI's mirrorless camera will likely focus on a blend of advanced photography and video features. High-resolution imaging, exceptional dynamic range, and accurate color reproduction are expected to be key selling points. The camera might prioritize video performance, given DJI's dominance in drone and gimbal markets, and it's likely to include cutting-edge stabilization technology for handheld shooting. The camera's rumored modular design could appeal to professionals seeking customizable setups. This approach would reflect DJI's history of innovative engineering, seen in products like the Ronin series. A modular system might allow users to adapt the camera for various shooting scenarios, from studio photography to fieldwork. In terms of connectivity, DJI could bring significant improvements to the user experience. The lack of seamless wireless connectivity has been a long-standing issue in the camera industry. DJI's experience with advanced wireless technologies in its drones might translate into features like fast file transfers and integrated cloud backup options. For instance, the inclusion of eSIM technology could enable photographers to upload media directly to cloud storage, ensuring data security and reducing reliance on external storage devices. While pricing details are speculative at this stage, DJI's history suggests that it might aim for competitive pricing to attract a broader audience. The camera could be positioned as a mid to high-end product, offering professional-grade features at a more accessible price point. This strategy would align with DJI's approach in its drone lineup, where it has consistently delivered value without compromising on quality. Another intriguing aspect of the rumored camera is its retro design. Reports suggest that DJI might take inspiration from Hasselblad's minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics, emphasizing clean lines and intuitive interfaces. This design philosophy could make the camera more approachable for newcomers and hobbyists while maintaining the functionality required by professionals. Usability is expected to be a strong focus for DJI. The company's existing products, like the DJI Pocket series, have been praised for their user-friendly interfaces. By applying similar principles to its mirrorless camera, DJI could address some of the common pain points associated with traditional camera systems, such as overly complex menus and outdated connectivity options. A well-designed, intuitive user interface could set DJI's camera apart from its competitors. Entering the mirrorless camera market will be no small feat for DJI. Companies like Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience and well-established ecosystems. These brands dominate the market with loyal user bases and extensive product lineups. To succeed, DJI's camera will need to offer not just incremental improvements, but genuinely revolutionary features. DJI's potential to disrupt the market lies in its unique blend of imaging and stabilization technologies. By combining these elements with Hasselblad's expertise, the company could introduce a product that challenges the status quo. For instance, its rumored modular design, advanced stabilization, and superior connectivity could appeal to content creators looking for a versatile and modern tool. Despite the excitement surrounding the rumors, there are several challenges DJI must overcome. First, breaking into a competitive market dominated by industry giants will require significant innovation and marketing efforts. DJI will need to build trust among professional photographers and videographers, many of whom are deeply invested in existing ecosystems. Additionally, the rumored features, such as internal storage and eSIM technology, could increase production costs, making it challenging to strike a balance between innovation and affordability. DJI will also need to address potential concerns about lens compatibility and ensure that its camera can seamlessly integrate with third-party accessories. Finally, the lack of concrete details about the camera's specifications and capabilities leaves room for skepticism. While the rumors are compelling, they originate from unofficial sources, making it difficult to verify their accuracy. DJI's decision to remain silent about these rumors adds an air of mystery, but also raises questions about the company's strategy. If DJI successfully enters the mirrorless camera market, it could have far-reaching implications for the industry. The company's focus on connectivity, usability, and innovative features could set new standards for what modern cameras should offer. By addressing common pain points, such as complex workflows and limited wireless functionality, DJI's camera could attract a new generation of users while challenging established players to innovate. Moreover, DJI's entry into the market could spur greater competition, leading to advancements across the board. Established brands might be compelled to revisit their designs, pricing strategies, and feature sets to stay competitive. This increased competition could ultimately benefit consumers, resulting in a wider range of options and better value for money. The prospect of DJI launching its first mirrorless camera in late 2025 has generated significant anticipation among photography and filmmaking communities. While the rumors remain unconfirmed, the potential features and capabilities of this camera suggest that it could be a game changer. By leveraging its expertise in imaging and stabilization, as well as its partnership with Hasselblad, DJI could introduce a product that redefines the mirrorless camera market. What do you think? Share with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching.